Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 foldable electric scooter. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is HX13AH electric scooter. Specifications. Brand name HX. Model X11. Tire size 10 inches. Category 2-wheel scooter. Applicable people men. Range per charge 60 to 80 kilometers. Foldable yes. Charging time 6-8H. Voltage 48 volts. Power 1001 to 2000 watts. Certification CE. Item number 4 is E5 folding adult electric scooter. Specifications. Model E5. Battery capacity 36 volts 8.8 Ah 31.2 Ah. Maximum load 150 kilograms. Power 400 watts. Max speed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Range 30 to 100 kilometers. Material aluminum alloy frame. Color black. Tire size 10-inch Chaoyang vacuum tires. Brake system ABS disc brake. As the item number 3 we've selected, folding electric bike. Specifications. Model number GB1206. Style mini type. Max speed 30 kilometers per hour. Range per power 31 to 60 kilometers. Frame material aluminum alloy. Motor brushless. Wheel size 12-inch. Wattage 251 to 350 watts. Foldable yes. Power supply lithium battery. Voltage 36 volts. Weight 20 kilograms. Wheel size 10-inch. Max speed 25 kilometers per hour. Size 100 by 95 by 70 centimeters. Certification CE. Item number 2 is electric scooter. Specifications. Brand name Meguan. Tire size 8.5 inches. Category 2-wheel scooter. Applicable people unisex. Range per charge 20 to 30. Foldable yes. Charging time 6-8H. Voltage 36 volts. Power 201 to 500 watts. Certification CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 800W motor electric scooter. Specifications. Model number M4. Tire size 10 inches. Category 2-wheel scooter. Applicable people unisex. Range per charge 40 to 60 kilometers. Foldable yes. Charging time 6-8H. Voltage 48 volts. Power 501-1000 watts. Maximum speed 48 kilometers per hour. Size 115 cm x 56 cm x 120 cm. Maximum load 150 kilograms. Certification CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.